Hello. Thank you for watching crochet beginners lessons. And in this video, I will show you how to make half double crochet. So before making half double crochet, you have to have the base where to work this stitch. So this time I have the foundation chain. If you don't know how to make the foundation chain, you can find it in this video. So before making the half double crochet, it's important that on the foundation chain you have to skip 2 chains and make the stitch on the 3rd chain. So we are not counting this the loop that is on the hook, so we are skipping these 2, and to the 3rd one we will make the half double crochet stitch. So let's start making half double crochet. So yarn over the yarn on the hook, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops, just like this. Now once again, yarn over, put the hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. This is how the stitches look like. Now again, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through, and now let's pull it through all 3 loops in one time. This is how it looks like. It's bigger, the half double crochet is bigger than the single crochet, but smaller than the double crochet. Once again, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it all 3 loops, yarn over, inside into the hook, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops, and the half double crochet looks like this. I also want to show you how to make half double crochet when starting the new row. So before making, you have to chain 2. 1, 2. This is the turning chain. Now let's turn the work. So we will work on this side. So as this will count as our first stitch, first half double crochet, we will not make the first stitch to these 2 loops, we will make it to these 2 loops. When we are making half double crochet on a foundation chain, we were making the stitch only through 1 loop. When we are working above other stitches, usually we are making the stitch through 2 loops. If the pattern states that you have to make the stitch through the back loop, this is the one. It can also state that you should work the stitch only through the front loop, so this is the one. But usually the crochet stitches are made through 2 loops. So before making half double crochet, we made a turning chain. This time it's a chain of 2, and now we'll make half double crochet. So yarn over, put the hook through the loop, yarn over, pull it through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops, just like this. It looks like this. Once again, yarn over, pull it through the loops, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops, just like this. Yarn over, put the hook through both loops, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops, and this is half double crochet. This is the simple single crochet to one side to the another side. This is the this is the double crochet to one side to another side, and this is half double crochet. I will make a couple more stitches so you would be able to see the difference, how the stitches look like. So once again, this is the single crochet, this is the short one, the bigger one is the double crochet, and this is the half double crochet. So you can see this is the smallest one, the half double crochet is taller one, and the tallest one is double crochet. And just this is the half double crochet made on the foundation chain. It's really nice. From the other side it looks like this. So I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more crochet videos, crochet lessons for the beginners, please check my channel, and thank you for watching.